Step 7 is to place images. When I'm ready to start placing images, I'm going to look for my image frames, which are the boxes with the blue X's through. To put an image inside one of the frames, I'm going to grab my selection tool and click on one of the frames, then go to File, Place, navigate to my folder, and choose the image I want to put there. It is automatically popping that image into this frame. I do want to show you how to resize images as well. Maybe I decide that I don't need this image here, so I might delete that out. I'm just going to click on it with my selection tool and then delete. I'm going to adjust these frames to give me more space. Maybe move the caption down. And then you'd think if I just want to resize this, I might just grab this frame and resize it. And you can see that that did not change the size of my picture. What that did is it changed the size of your frame. When you're ready to actually change the size of your image, you need to hover on the image to get the donut. Click on the donut and you can see now this brown box appears. The brown box shows you the extent of your actual image. So if I drag this around, I can see that there's portions of my image that was not showing before. When I'm ready to resize, I can grab a corner of the brown box, hold the Shift key down to constrain proportions, and drag out to resize and make my image larger. One other way to resize your image, I'll show you with this image. I'm going to grab this frame and choose File, Place. This is for my author photo. And you can see what's happened here is that this, if I double click, you can see the brown box showing the extent of my image is very big into this little tiny frame. And sometimes when this is the case, it's easiest to right click and choose Fitting, Fill Frame Proportionally. And that automatically adjusts the size of my image to the size of my frame. And then I can nudge it down to the right area. So you'll just continue throughout the article adding images to your existing frames.